In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page using Elementor. This skill is incredibly useful, especially if you frequently create similar pages or need to quickly replicate a particular design across your website. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. Start by navigating to the page you want to duplicate and open it for editing with Elementor. Doing so allows you to access the powerful design tools Elementor offers. Once you're in the editing interface, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find the green button labeled as Update or Publish, depending on your context. Next to this button is a small arrow. Click this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among the choices presented, you'll want to select the option for saving this page as a template. This is a critical step in the duplication process, as it involves capturing all the elements and settings of your current page to easily transport them to another page. When prompted, you'll be asked to give your template a unique name. A practical approach is to choose a name that's descriptive of the page content or purpose, such as My Page Layout. This naming convention will make it easier to locate and apply the template later on. Now, let's think about how to use this template on a different page. Begin by creating a new page in WordPress. Once your new page is set up, click Edit with Elementor. This action will open the Elementor editor once again, providing you with the tools needed to design your new page. Look towards the bottom center of the Elementor editor for a folder icon. This icon gives you access to your saved templates. By clicking the folder icon, you'll be taken to the My Templates tab, the repository where all your saved templates reside. Here, you should see the template you saved earlier, aptly named for easy identification. Locate your template in the list and click the Insert button. This will pull the entire page layout and its content into your new page seamlessly, recreating everything from text and images to widgets and settings with precision. And there you have it. A quick and efficient process to duplicate an existing page with Elementor, allowing you to maintain consistency in your site design while saving time and effort. By using this method, you ensure that any page you create with your template maintains the aesthetics and functionality you initially designed. I hope you found these instructions both clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!